There is no denying it, TikTok has had an incredible rise in popularity in the last 12 months. It smashed the landmark of more than 1 billion people worldwide using the platform on a monthly basis, and surpassed the mighty Google to become 2021's most visited domain. Although it was originally known for funny videos and dancing, food and recipe videos have become a key part of the site's programming, with clips raking up millions and millions of views. And these 60-second videos are having real implications for the food industry. The virality of the platform is unrivaled. One of the most viral recipes last year was a baked feta pasta dish. The recipe was highlighted on the Rachael Ray Show and was praised for being an easy 3-ingredient recipe. And an article in the New York Times reported that the cheese industry exploded in sales due to the TikTok's feta recipe. And Saxelby, the founder and co-owner of a cheese shop in New York City called Saxelby Cheesemongers, was unable to get a weekly shipment of cheese because of the new demand for feta cheese generated by the app. From a marketing point of view, TikTok has catapulted food companies to new heights and success. Real Foods sells milkshakes. Their goal was brand relevance with Gen Z. They focused on engaging with commenters, making the brand relatable in everyday moments. Their aim was to create organic trends as opposed to overt challenges, and their tactic has already yielded real results. Some of their videos have got millions and millions of views and actually lifted sales by 7.1% since joining TikTok. The most fascinating development on TikTok's impact to the food industry is their recent announcement. TikTok is launching delivery-only kitchens across the United States, with the first set to open at the beginning of March. The concept is simple. The menu will rotate quarterly to include the hottest new food trends enjoying virality on the platform. If users like the look of a food trend, they'll be able to order from a TikTok-branded ghost kitchen nearby. The TikTok partnership will begin with initially 300 stores, but could rise to 1,000 by the end of 2022, if the concept is successful. The financials for this could be incredible. TikTok has an enormous audience at hand, and more importantly, their user base is highly engaged. If they can convince only a small percentage of users to interact with their ghost kitchen concept, it could result in a lot of orders. It'll work like this. TikTok will create a virtual franchise that other restaurants and ghost kitchens can decide to partner with. Then the partnering kitchens will cook the viral dishes to the specification of TikTok. The kitchen cooks each restaurant item and bags them up in the supplied branded packaging. The customer is often unaware where the food is actually cooked. The prevalence of virtual franchises has skyrocketed with the massive surge in in-home delivery. And a number of celebrities have also set up their own virtual franchises, such as Wiz Khalifa and Mr. Beast. Their partner to bring this venture to life is Virtual Concept Dining. Their co-founder Robert Earl outlined the uniqueness of this venture. It's the first time there is a brand like this out there with an audience of hundreds of millions of people. Virtual dining concepts have a proven track record when it comes to virtual franchise success. They've successfully backed celebrity and non-celebrity restaurants, most notably Mr. Beast Burger, which has been a breakout hit since its launch in fall 2020. One of the most intriguing elements of TikTok's strategy is their plan to redistribute the profits to the creators themselves, who will be given the credit for the dish and be used in the promotional materials. The menu will change quarterly, so if you can successfully create a viral dish, there could be the opportunity to be added to the new TikTok menu. So, to conclude, TikTok is entering into the ghost kitchen virtual franchise world. If it's a success, they could unlock a new category of restaurant. Could we see other beloved brands outside of food enter this space? Could Nike launch a healthy salad concept, or Coca-Cola provide food that goes super well with their drinks? It's a disruptive approach to interact with fans and strengthen a community, and has the potential to open a real revenue stream. Leave us a comment and let us know what food trend you'd like us to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a like. We'll have new videos coming every week in 2022. And if you'd like to learn more about some of the hottest food trends, sign up to our free trend reports on ghost kitchens, vertical farming and more. You can check out the link in our description. Absolutely free. Until next time, ciao ciao.